Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share the information on how we can recover our Pera Algo wallet. So for example, it happened that we lost our mobile phone. We have a new mobile phone where we're wanting to reinstall the Pera Algo wallet with our original funds. How would we do that? Okay, so as you can see here, I am currently logged in to our Pera Algo wallet. Okay, what I'm going to do here is to deliberately remove this account so that I can test whether the recover or the recovery option of the Pera Algo wallet really works. Okay, so if we're going to play the recording, I'm going to scroll down from settings and then remove all accounts and log out. Okay, delete all data. Okay, data deleted successfully. Okay, so the moment I click on delete data, it's prompting me to create an account. So I'll create a new account. Okay, so I'm going to click on import an account since we're wanting to recover our original Pera Algo wallet. So welcome to Pera Algo wallet, import an account, select your backup file, upload your backup file. So I'm just going to select the backup file and then paste backup file as text. Okay, and then next. I'm going to enter a 12-word key. Once I'm done, I click on next and we're prompted to select the account to restore. And we can see here the account has been successfully restored. And just like that, we're able to successfully recover our Pera Algo wallet. Okay. Now, disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Okay? And for additional information, the reason why I'm recording all my cryptocurrency videos and I decided to create a YouTube channel out of this is to serve as a reference or guide to my daughter. As a parent, I'm concerned about my young ones and my family on how they can better manage their financial stability in the future. So with the help of recording my cryptocurrency videos on a dedicated YouTube channel, I can pass my knowledge on cryptocurrency in an efficient way so that my future generations can have first-hand information when it comes to cryptocurrency instead of gathering information from unreliable sources online. Okay,